What is good, everybody, and welcome back to another video. All right, today's video is gonna be something special. It's gonna be car related, obviously. Gonna be putting on my Password JDM rear lip or spoiler lip, whatever. There's a specific name for it, but whatever. I just finished washing the SI. Nice and clean, very clean. All right, guys, so I couldn't do the aux beam headlights right now, but I did end up found out the name. It's called a gurney flap, I think. Who knows? It's something. It goes over the spoiler. But I think it looks really good. Right now, just waiting for everybody else to pull up so we can head out to the meet. But yeah, shout out to all my sneakerheads out there. Got the Gatorade 6s on today. Do more than just cars. Man, the car looks great though. SR20 swap, right hand drive 180. What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the second part of the video after a couple of days. So in today's second part of the video, I'm going to be installing hybrid racing intake that I've been wanting to do and see if it would fit on our cars with a K-swap. So the reason why I chose this intake is because obviously the main reason is silicone, keeps the IAT temps down, which is really good. Comes with a V-stack and all that stuff, all that nice stuff. It's black, it's nice. But most importantly, it's silicone, so it can bend. It's not always in one fixed position. So instead of making a custom one, this should work with my setup. So I have all this room right here for this to go in. So if you're wondering what comes in the hybrid racing kit, pretty much it comes with 2 clamps, a bolt bracket. It comes with a V-stack, a little mini filter, but I'm not going to need this one because I already have the K-Tune one. Bolts, the filter obviously, and the intake. Alright, so if you guys don't know, you can use the PRB and the RBC RRC. So it is shaped for either side that would work. So all right, so here's a quick mock-up. I understand that it doesn't clear all the way, so I have to push the car out. All right, y'all, I did a thing. Okay, so hear me out. I cut the hybrid racing intake. So now, take that clamp off. This is like a quick mock-up, right? This is how it would sit. Not bad. because I'm still getting, I could run the V-Stack and I can run it with the filter. So I still would be getting my full cold air in a sense, because it's in the Accord, obviously with the K-swap, it's different. So I have all of that feeding it. So it's still acting like a cold air intake. But right now I'm at the point where I have to drill into it so I could put my IAT in there, which is something simple. Just take it off. And I want it kind of like nice and clean, so I kind of want it like right here. And I have a bung for it too. Got to find my other intake that I was using for mock-up. All right, IAT's kind of hidden, nice like that. I'm actually really happy with the setup, even though it's not like, I'm gonna be honest, it's not 100% bolt-on. I had to modify it, and I'm still happy with it. At the end of the day, you know, this is my build. I'm cool with that. If it bothers me in the future, you know, obviously, like everything else, I will change. But for now, that would do. I think that's a good place, especially with the way everything sets up. It will be getting cold air constantly, so that's a good thing. I'm actually gonna move one of the cars so I could push this out, and I want to hear it. Definitely a lot quieter. Day today, so it's definitely a good time to double check, you know, make sure the operating temperature is good and all that stuff, and let it idle. To be honest with you, I haven't started this car in like 2 weeks. That intake, I ordered it on May 28th and it just came in probably like 2 days ago. No, I lied. On June 19th is when it came, so I waited for that. It was worth it though. I like it. Fans just kicked on. Honestly, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking about, it might be a little racy, but it might be a function for me. I think I want to run hood spacers just so I don't have to cut anything if maybe something is touching, but I doubt it though. But it's just for security. Plus in the summertime, it'll let the heat come out, and now you can run the engine a little bit cooler and stuff like that. I think that would definitely help for this build. It won't, not doing it for looks, I'm actually doing it for a function, get all the hot air out. Fans just kicked on. It's really good. Actually, the IATs is still amazing. Honestly, it's right now it's at about 89 degrees, 90 degrees. Last time I checked before I started recording. Granted, it is 91 degrees outside too, so I'm here editing the video and I did not see that I made an outro. So this is me making the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. The car is great actually. It runs good, it doesn't overheat, it's solid now. Thank you everybody for showing love to the video. helping the channel grow and grow more each and every single day. You know, I'm nothing without you guys, and I'm glad I'm here to spread knowledge to you. And getting all that feedback is amazing. You know what I mean? Like, I actually enjoy it so much, getting that feedback from you guys. So thank you for watching again. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.